In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online Invoice Basics, how to add a logo in QBO. If you want your invoices to look more professional and match your brand, adding a logo is one of the simplest improvements you can make. It helps create a polished appearance, makes your documents easier for customers to recognize, and gives your invoices a more complete business identity. The good news is that in QuickBooks Online, this process is very quick and easy. To get started, go to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the Settings icon. This is where you'll find many of the tools that control how your account and forms are set up. From the menu, select Custom Form Styles. This section lets you control the appearance of your sales forms, including invoices. If you've never customized your forms before, this is where you can create a new style. If you already have one set up and just want to update it with a logo, you can edit the existing style instead. Once you're on the Custom Form Styles page, click New Style in the top right corner if you want to make a brand new invoice style. If you already have a style you use regularly, simply click Edit on that existing form. Either option will take you into the customization area where you can make visual changes to your invoice layout. Inside the editor, look for the option that says Add Unique Logo. Click that, and then upload the logo file you want to use. Make sure you choose the correct image from your computer so it reflects the branding you want on your invoices. In most cases, a clear, high-quality image works best, since it will appear on customer-facing documents. After the logo uploads, you should be able to see it applied to the form style. This is a good time to quickly review how it looks and make sure it appears clean and properly placed. If everything looks right, click Done to save your changes, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a logo to your QuickBooks Online invoice style. From here, your invoices will have a more branded, professional look whenever you use that form style. If needed, you can always come back to custom form styles later to update or replace the logo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.